Hey my babies, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Riah J, and back with another video. In today's video, my babies, we are going to be making lasagna. I'm going to show you all how to make a nice small pan of lasagna for your family. But if you have a bigger family than me, then you obviously need more ingredients, a bigger pan. And yeah, so let's get started. So first what you need is an aluminum pan. Then what you need is ricotta cheese. Now I'm going to be putting ricotta cheese only on half of my lasagna because Missouri does not like ricotta cheese. Then you have mozzarella, you have Mexican blend, and you have mild cheddar. And the sauce that I like to use is ragu extra, the 6 cheese sauce. And then you have your lasagna noodles, and then you have your ground beef. Now some people don't eat beef. They can use chicken, turkey, sausage, whatever you want. You know, you can do a vegan lasagna, whatever, you know. Just edit it as you go. So first what we need to do is we need to get our lasagna, okay? So we're gonna lay our lasagna in our pan. You gotta wash your hands. My hands are clean. Always wash your hands, my babies. So look, we're gonna lay it across the. I just finished cooking these, and I just boiled the lasagna noodles. I only cooked them halfway through, so they will be considered al dente for all the Italians out there. These lasagna noodles are al dente. Get one from here. Shake it up. Yes. Shake it up. Now come on, put it over here in this last section. Yes.
Then we go one over again.
Yeah, after we put meat, sauce, cheese, then we do it again. This is how you make lasagna. So let's just spread them out a bit. Yeah, this is good, okay? Now what you're gonna do is the meat.
Oh.
Now, I'm gonna bring the pan over here. And what you're gonna do is you are gonna, hold on my babies. Now what you're gonna do is sprinkle the meat over the noodles. Here. Like this, you understand? So you sprinkle the meat. Spread it out. Yes, get some in your corners. You need a little bit more. We gotta save some for the next layer too, so let's get a little bit more. This is 1 pack of ground beef from the supermarket.
Yeah.
Next is sauce. I need a spoon and I need to open my sauce. Hold on, my babies. Next, you open your sauce. Come here. I'm gonna do sauce too. For the sauce, this is how I do for the sauce, my babies. This is my spoon. You just take a spoon of sauce and you do 1,
Let me do it.
2.
Let me do it.
You can do the next line. 3. Go.
Yeah, I will do 2 lines.
1. You need more sauce than that. Come on, scoop it up. Yes, come on. That's 2. You need 3. Bring it over. 3. Yes, now do the last line. Next, we're going to be doing our cheese. Ricotta cheese, and we're going to be doing our
I don't want
shredded
that.
cheese. Ricotta cheese is for me. I know you don't want.
Some
Come on.
sauce.
I already told them that you don't want ricotta cheese.
Now I want to lick the sauce. No, I'm
Okay, not the spoon. Not the spoon. Take some with your finger. Okay, thank you. You don't need to lick no sauce. Go get tissue. You in here making a mess with my lasagna. Next, I'm going to put my ricotta only on my side. So, as y'all heard the princess say, she doesn't want ricotta. So I just have to put ricotta on my side. This is my side. This is your side. Okay. Oh, look, y'all. So there we go. Now we do shredded cheese. So get your cheese and drizzle. Drizzle.
Yes.
Drizzle. Drizzle. Yes, drizzle, please. He's got to help me. Come on, drizzle.
Drizzle.
Do each. Do each. First you did the first pack. Now we do the Mexican blend. Now, wait. Gotta wait one at a time. You understand? Because you're going to make a mess. Next you do the Mexican blend. Next you do the cheddar blend. Yeah. Okay.
Sprinkle this. Mom, I'm sprinkling the sprinkles.
Okay. Next we got to do
the last.
Do your last blend. Okay, now basically you just repeat. Now after you did your layers, you repeat. Now let's go. Noodles. This is how you make lasagna. But this time you go this way. Go sideways. Yes. Diagonal and horizontally. Yes, beautiful, baby. Get your noodles. Shake them up.
Is that hot water?
No, that's warm water because I put cold water in it so it can stop cooking. You don't want the noodles too soft because they're gonna bake in the oven.
Then you put.
Next is meat. Come on, get your meat. Scoop it up.
Mommy, I'm doing it. Scoop it up. Like that's enough?
Come on, sprinkle it in.
Yeah, but that's.
Yeah, you need more. Sprinkle it up.
String.
Still need more, you see? And we need more for the last layer. Scoop, sprinkle. Come on, we like that beef.
That's enough?
One more. Come on, okay, look at you. You're getting stuff on the floor. When you cook, you need to watch what you're doing. You don't want stuff on the floor, man. Give me. Let me do the last one. Spread them out nice and evenly.
Now to the sauce.
Now is sauce. Okay, sauce. Go. And I already have my oven preheated to about 375. So by the time we're done preparing, we can put the lasagna right in the pan. I mean, right in the oven.
Hand. That cannot fit.
Let me get this. Is napkins? Give me this. I need clean up the stuff. You don't want to make no mess, okay? We don't need no bugs. I'm sorry that y'all can't see my face right. Oh, excuse me. I'm sorry that y'all can't see my face right now because I have the camera flipped to the you know, I have it flipped to the front camera. I mean the
and also
the back camera.
And I got it flipped too because when you were doing this plaid, doing the dentist.
Yeah.
No.
So
I mean
look,
that
get your sauce.
cottage cheese.
Well, you need more than that. We like juicy. So yeah, basically this is how you make lasagna. Now understand everybody makes their lasagna different. Everybody cooks different. So
But try different lasagna like
this
ours.
is how I do my lasagna.
But try different lasagna like
and
ours.
me and Buki love this.
But
They hear you.
But try different lasagna.
Now my side is ricotta.
But try the different.
Hold the camera. Show it up. Show them the photo. Tell them. Try the new. No, it's the wrong way. The camera's this way. Look. Watch your finger.
Try different lasagna like ours.
So this is my side. Mommy loves ricotta.
Ricotta.
And this is basically it. Look, the ricotta thing. Look at this. Empty. You showing them? Empty. That's it. So this is all ricotta for me.
Look close.
Next, cheese. Come on, start your cheese.
Hey.
First, mozzarella.
Wow, everybody gonna smell our food.
No, not yet. And it's done. Sprinkle, sprinkle, sprinkle.
I'm sprinkling the cheese on my cheese pizza. And Mommy just got this. Now you sprinkle it on yours. Sprinkle it.
It doesn't matter where. We just want it nice and cheesy. Next, Mexican blend.
Mexican blend's supposed to be last.
Last is cheddar.
I want to eat some.
You just want to eat some cheese. You can eat after. Let's prepare it and get it in the oven. It takes an hour to bake. Good. Next, let's start the last layer. Okay, noodles.
Noodles? Oh, yeah.
Last layer. Let's go. Noodles. Next, we go back this way. Put them back this way now.
Mom, why is it yellow?
That's grains. Unless we got the whole grain pasta, then it would be brown.
Mom, you're gonna triple me.
Put that one over there. Good. Now is meat. Get all the meat. This is the last layer.
Oh,
let me help you scoop and you sprinkle.
I'm sprinkling.
Yes. Come on. Sprinkle. Get all those corners.
Sprinkle.
You gotta spread it out. You see how you're just putting it in the middle? Hold on. It's not good. You gotta get it sprinkled out. See how this is all in the middle? No, you have to spread it out. Now get ready with sauce. Okay, we got all that beef. Let's go. Let's get all that beef. Sauce.
No, I didn't.
Last layer. Sauce.
No, there's 2 more layers left.
No, this is the last
No,
layer.
look, 1, 2.
No, you just fill up the pan.
Yeah,
the pan
there's
is
2
full. That's it.
layers. Don't
Last
it's not full yet. Look, we didn't do these. Oops. Stop, Mommy. Put cut on.
I love that ricotta.
Ew. It's like, it looks like I'm painting. I'm gonna paint a heart.
Don't paint a heart. Get the sauce on, please.
I'm gonna paint.
Give me my spoon.
Star. Scoop 1. I'm gonna paint.
You don't know how to do. Let it go. Come on, man. You're making a mess. Just cook the shit.
And you touching her.
You're making a heart. You don't need to make a heart. Get the sauce on.
I'm joking.
All right, next. 1, 2, 3. Let's go. Be aware when you're cooking with children. Children don't listen. Let's go.
Paint.
Taking too long. Next, cheese. As you get to the last layer,
Mom, what about your ricotta cheese?
my ricotta's done. It's in there already.
No, we need to put that.
No, it's done.
No.
This is the last layer. You understand? Now you drizzle it with
Mommy,
cheese. Not you. I'm talking to my
I
babies.
still don't know. Squirtle.
So you're gonna bake that sucker.
Squirtle everywhere. Squirtle.
You bake that sucker for a good hour. There you go. A nice quick pan of lasagna. How to make a quick pan of lasagna for your kids and your family. And that's it. There you go. Be aware that my countertop is a mess cooking with this girl. Cheese every fucking where.
Mommy, that's not true. I'm sweet girl.
You are sweet, but we made a mess.
No.
Okay.
No, Ma, the cheese just don't want to go in there. And all that.
And that's how you make lasagna. That's it. That's it. No more.
Then why you put it in the room?
Now put your aluminum foil over top. And hold on, let me get the aluminum foil. Oh, I'm actually licking up the rest of this ricotta cheese. Okay, let me get this, my kitchen is a mess. Look at this. Let me get my lasagna. Let me get my aluminum foil. Okay, and look. You cover top with aluminum foil. Bake that sucker for a good hour. And that's how you cook a a pan of lasagna for your